G'day and welcome to the BraveGen Utility How-To series. Whether you're a novice or an expert, we're here to guide you through the comprehensive functionality of the BraveGen utility software. In this video, we'll guide you through managing your organization settings and configuring user access. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom of your dashboard. Please note you must be an administrative user to access these settings. Click on Settings, then go to the Configuration. Here, you'll find various options to configure your organization settings. In the General section, you can set your organization name, ISIC classification, and physical address. Let's enter the address now. You'll also set your financial start month and the year your organization was established. For example, your financial year starts in April, or your organization was established in 2001. Enter those details accordingly. Next, we'll configure the reporting settings. This is primarily used in the BraveGen Carbon module. Set your default reporting standards, like the Greenhouse Gas Protocol. Future releases will support ISO and other standards as well. You can also select the base year for your data, which helps in tracking carbon data over time. Adding new users is simple. Go to the User section. Here you can see the list of existing users. To invite a new user, type in their name, display name, and select the products they should have access to, such as carbon. Set their role based on the level of access they need, be it a reviewer, a contributor, an editor, or an administrator. Click Invite to send the invitation to the new user. Once they've received the invite, they can now complete their setup. To configure user access in the Carbon module, go to the Configure Access. Here, you can control access by selecting the appropriate permissions for each user. You can grant or restrict access to the entire sections or individual items within the organizational hierarchy. For the utility module, access is controlled slightly differently. By default, all groups are unrestricted. To restrict access, edit the permissions for each group accordingly. Select the group, click Edit Permissions, and specify the level of access for each user or group. Now let's edit the details for a building. You can change the building name, add in a net livable area or gross floor area. Specify the building's function, heating and cooling systems, enter the building's address, and select the nearest weather station for accurate data. You can also enter the ISIC code, select buildings ratings, such as Neighbors, Green Star, or LEED, document the rating, and when the rating expires. If you have any attachments, like single line diagrams or PDF invoices, you can upload them here. Click Browse to select files from your desktop and upload them to the system. Next, in the Loads tab, you can see all the information associated with the load. This includes the associated building, if it is a main incomer, the status, the utility type, ICP and meter numbers, capacity and feed type. Click on the settings to edit the load label, add a description, provide a reference number, or add attachments such as photos or documents. Next, in the Channels tab, you can also see your active and inactive channels, including the associated loads, buildings, channel keys, unit of measure, status, summation type, interval, or the feed type. You can also see when the channel was last updated and the channel start date information. The organizational hierarchy for utilities and carbon is crucial for managing data and access within the BraveGen utility system. We will cover how to set up and manage these hierarchies in more detail in another video series. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage your organization settings and configure user access in BraveGen utility. If you have any questions, refer to our help documentation or contact support. Sign up today and experience the power of centralized utility management data firsthand. Follow our Vimeo channel to stay updated on our latest tutorial and tips. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon.